Hello guys, so today I want to show you how to replace the battery in Nissan Pathfinder 2023 or 2024. They should be about the same in remote. So you would remove this. It's called emergency key, or some people call it wallet key, depending on the car, I guess. So you would remove it first by pushing this latch to the side and pull it out. So once you remove it, then on the side over here, as you can see, is the silver, the metal piece. You would need a flat screwdriver, which is small like this, or even smaller. You would insert right over here and twist it. So once you twist it, you will see like this, open up, and then you just pull it apart. Okay, like this. So once you remove it, the battery will be located right over here. You will take screwdriver, flat one, and remove the battery. Also, you'll need to have a battery CR2032H, the original one, but I will replace with 2032. I think they should be about the same. You can find link in description. I'll post it where you can buy one. They're usually inexpensive. And then you would need to place it with plus sign like this on the bottom. Okay. And you just basically need to push actually against of this metal piece and insert it right here. And then you take these two pieces. First piece will go this way and just push from both sides until you hear the click. Now it's all back and it works fine. As you can see, the light on when you're pushing, so it should work. Just insert it back and it's ready to use. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.